Hey hustlers, welcome to Digital Hustler, where we explore how to build your digital empire, create streams of online income, and unlock the freedom of the digital nomad lifestyle. Whether you're looking for side hustle ideas or ways to scale your business, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and make those digital dreams a reality. Hey hustlers, welcome back to Digital Hustler, the place where we turn digital dreams into reality. If you've been asking yourself, can I really get rich with digital marketing? You're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive deep into how digital marketing can help you not just make money, but build real wealth. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future and learn the strategies that actually work, stick around. What is digital marketing? First things first, let's define what digital marketing really is. At its core, digital marketing is the promotion of products or services through digital channels. Things like social media, search engines, email, and websites. It's all about connecting with your audience where they spend most of their time: online. Now here's the exciting part. Whether you're working for yourself or building marketing strategies for clients, digital marketing has limitless potential for generating wealth. But the real question is, how do you actually get rich doing this? Let's break it down. 4 main paths to wealth in digital marketing. All right, let's talk about the 4 main paths to getting rich through digital marketing. These are strategies that successful marketers use to grow their businesses and build multiple income streams. So, get your notepads ready. Freelancing and consulting. First up, freelancing and consulting. This is one of the fastest ways to start earning with digital marketing. If you have skills in social media management, SEO, running Facebook ads, or even email marketing, you can start offering those services to businesses that need them. Businesses are willing to pay a lot to get more visibility, leads, and sales online. And as a freelancer or consultant, you can charge anywhere from $500 to $10,000 a month per client. If you scale that up to multiple clients, you can easily hit 6 figures. Building your own digital business. Next, you can build your own digital business. This could be an e-commerce store, selling physical or digital products, or even creating a membership site. With the power of digital marketing, you can use targeted ads, SEO, and social media to drive traffic to your business and start generating income. The beauty of digital businesses is that they can grow exponentially. Whether you're selling a product, a service, or your expertise, the sky's the limit. And once your systems are in place, they can run on autopilot, making you money 24/7. Affiliate marketing. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing, one of the simplest ways to get started without creating your own products. With affiliate marketing, you promote other companies' products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Some marketers make thousands of dollars passively each month by sharing products they love or writing blog posts and reviews. Combine this with a solid content strategy or SEO, and you're on your way to building a consistent income stream. This is a great way to start small and scale big because once your content is up, it keeps working for you while you sleep. Creating and selling digital products or courses. The last major path to digital riches is creating and selling digital products or courses. People are willing to pay for knowledge, especially when it helps them solve a problem or reach a goal. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or a digital tool, this model allows you to create once and sell over and over again. Some digital product creators are making millions by packaging their expertise and selling it to a global audience. And the best part? The profit margins on digital products are massive because there's no cost for physical goods or shipping. Scaling up. From side hustle to full-time income. Okay, so now you know the 4 main paths. But how do you take it from a side hustle to full-time income and eventually wealth? Let's talk about scaling. Automate and delegate. First, automate and delegate. Use tools to automate repetitive tasks like email marketing, scheduling social media posts, and managing ads. And when the time is right, delegate work to a team or hire freelancers so you can focus on growing your business instead of being stuck in the day-to-day grind. Build multiple income streams. Next, build multiple income streams. Don't rely on just one source of income. Mix freelancing, affiliate marketing, and your own digital products. When you have several revenue streams working together, you can hit your financial goals faster and reduce risk. Invest in yourself and your business. Finally, invest in yourself. This means learning new skills, staying up to date with trends, and reinvesting your profits back into your business. The best digital marketers never stop learning, and that's what sets them apart. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, let's go over a few common mistakes people make when trying to get rich with digital marketing. Avoid these, and you'll be on the fast track to success. Chasing every shiny object. First, avoid shiny object syndrome, where you're constantly jumping from one tactic to another without mastering any of them. Pick one path, focus, and go all in. Not tracking results. Second, always track your results. If you're running ads, creating content, or sending emails, you need to know what's working and what's not. This way, you can double down on strategies that bring in revenue and cut out what's wasting your time and money. Giving up too early. And finally, don't give up too soon. Success in digital marketing takes time, patience, and persistence. Many people quit just before they would have seen results. Keep pushing, keep learning, and it will pay off. Final takeaway. So, can digital marketing make you rich? Absolutely, but it's all about choosing the right path, putting in the work, and scaling smart. Whether it's freelancing, building your own digital business, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products, the potential is there for anyone willing to dive in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Digital Hustler for more strategies on building your digital empire, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Drop a comment below. What digital marketing path are you most excited to start? Let's chat about it. Until next time, keep hustling, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.